This is Natalia's final speech before she goes and jumps in the ice cold snow with no socks or shoes. I don't know how to work this stupid thing. Okay, yeah, you're seeing that. Yeah, She thinks, I don't know what she thinks. She's in Moscow.
So, there are few ways to deal with the cold weather. One thing is to be afraid, like, oh my gosh, there's S word outside. And there's another way is to be aggressive and try to fight it, and those people will come with assault later. My way is to befriend the winter. I'm going barefoot.
There she goes. All right. She's a very sick girl. I have a third way. She could save her energy and go dig out my car. Ay.
No! I told you, barefoot.
Okay.
Where else I can?
You can go.
Here.
Oh my gosh. All right. You can also go dig out my car or dig someone's car out. That would be good use of time.
Bye bye. Now you press red.
Press red. I'm gonna press 911. Come and get the lunatic.